I am Pharaoh, king of Egypt. Last night I had a terrible dream, and I don't know what it means. I've talked to all my wise men. They don't know what it means. My head is spinning, going in circles, and there's nothing I can do to stop it. I feel just like a...
One of these?
Yes.
I know just how you feel. One time I felt like I was spinning out of control. I lost my job and then I was thrown in jail.
Who threw you in jail?
You did!
Oh, yeah, I remember.
I had a bad dream too, and it only made me feel worse. My head was spinning just like yeah.
One of these?
Yeah, but then this other prisoner boy was he smart. He told me what the dream meant, and he was right.
Really? Who is this guy?
I'm Joseph. I was my father's favorite kid. I had a dream. My brothers put it all down before me. My brothers threw me in a pit. They sold me into slavery. I was accused of a crime I didn't commit. I was tossed in jail for years. My life has been on a downward spiral, just like
One of these?
yes.
I hear you can interpret dreams. I had one about these skinny cows eating these fat cows, and the skinny corn eating fat corn. Makes my head spin just like a...
Like one of those?
Yeah.
God is sending you a message. You will have 7 years of good harvest,
Cool.
then 7 years of no harvest.
Not cool.
But if we plan ahead, we could save enough money to make it through the 7 to 8 years of no harvest.
Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll plan ahead. We'll build some big barns. Nobody will have to go hungry. And since you're so smart, you can do all the planning.
Me? But I'm a prisoner.
Not anymore, you're not. Put this guy in a nice, clean robe. Put a ring on his finger. Give him a chariot. Give him a throne. Give him a...
One of these with many colors?
No, give him a bath. He's a little stinky after being in the dungeon.
Wow, from prison to a throne? How does it feel?
I don't know. I still feel like my life's getting out of control right now.
One of these?
Yes, like one of those, but in a good way. And I know God's still in control.